evaluate the integral of 1 over x minus x raised to 2/3 dx. So we let u equal to x raised to 1/3 because the LCD of the exponents of x, so this has an exponent of 1, this has an exponent of 2/3, so the LCD of 1 over 1 and 2/3 is 1/3. So that will be the exponent of x for our u. And then remove the fractional exponent for x, we can raise both sides to the third power. So we have u cubed is equal to x raised to 1/3 cube, so that will be x. Then get the derivative. Derivative of u cubed, power rule, 3u squared du is equal to dx. Then let's substitute. So we have integral of 1 over x. X is equal to u cubed, then minus x raised to 2/3. So x is equal to u cubed, then quantity raised to 2/3, and then this dx is equal to 3u squared du. So we have 3u squared du over u cubed minus u cubed raised to 2/3, so you will multiply the exponents, so u raised to 3 times 2/3 or u squared. You will cancel out the 3. So you can factor out u squared in the denominator. Common monomial factoring. So u squared times quantity u minus 1. Then you can cancel out the u squared. So you can put this constant in front. So 3 integral of du over u minus 1. So the integral of du over u minus 1 is just ln of u minus 1, right? Shortcut formula, if you have integral of dx over x plus b, that's equal to ln x plus b plus c, where b here is constant. So therefore, the integral of, so we have 3 integral of du over u minus 1 equal to ln u minus 1. Then put plus c for the constant of integration. Then final step, you substitute back u in terms of x, which is x raised to 1/3. So the final answer is 3 ln u, which is x raised to 1/3 minus 1 plus c.